Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove audio from video on Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you're using the web only, you just simply type in www.canva.com to access your Canva and then sign in. But if you're using the app, you're already signed in, you just simply open up the app which is downloaded on your PC, and if you're not signed in, simply sign in. Now the next thing you do is to open up this home page. Next thing you do is you're about to create either you create a video or you take an existing video, either the one you've made before or from the templates. You want to take from the template, click on this. So you have different videos, you can see them. Let's say this is if you want to create one yourself. Now I don't want to create one myself, so I'm going to go back and show you how it's done. So let's do it again, www.canva.com, or you can just simply type canva.com. So we're here. So I'm already signed in over here. So you can sign in again, you can add another account. If you're not signed in, sign in, but I'm already signed in. So now I go to video, I'll choose a pre-existing one. This is for if you want to create it yourself. If you not create it yourself, you can just join me and pick from the video templates here. So let's pick one. I like this, nature. Now let's play it first of all to see how it is. I tap in here. No, this one doesn't have sound. We need one that has sound so that we can extract the sound. So let's go back and pick something else. I should have known there's no purple bar at the bottom. So let's go pick something else. This is not what we want. Alright, let's go in. Video. Let's choose something else. Let's see all. If you don't want to have sound, you see something like this. So let's choose the one that has sound. Chosen. So let's customize it. Now before we continue, okay, let's listen to it first. You can see it has a purple bar down here, which means it has sound. Nice. Now, let's say for whatever reason you do not want the sound. Okay, actually there are reasons for not. Let's find out. What are the reasons for removing audio from a video in Canva? 1. Customization. By removing it, it allows you to tailor the audio experience to your specific needs. You can replace the original audio with background music, voiceovers, or sound effects that better suit your message or target audience. Also, noise reduction. If the original audio contains unwanted background noise or distractions, removing it can improve the overall audio quality and clarity. 3. Accessibility. Removing audio can make your videos more accessible to viewers with hearing impairments or those who prefer to watch videos without sound. Then it provides a greater creative freedom, allowing you to experiment with different audio elements and create unique and engaging video experiences. By removing audio in Canva, you can create videos that are more tailored to your specific needs and preference. Now, let's get right into it on how to remove audio from video on Canva. The first thing we do is look at this purple line. Like I said, this represents the audio. So at the top here, we're going to click on this. We want to edit it. So we're going to click on it, adjust it, fade or beat sync. So that I'm going to adjust. Right, we can delete it. And here you can splash it, split the audio. Alright, what else can we do? Tap on the three dots there. Split audio, we can increase the volume, beat sync, fade or adjust, delete the track, duplicate the track, paste and copy it. So since we're trying to remove the audio, let's just, there are two ways to do that. We can decrease the volume or mute it. If we want to decrease the volume, you can just mute it here. So when you play it, to have no sound, as you can see, or we can delete the track totally, and so it will play without. Don't forget to copy and save it before you delete it, just in case you want to use it again. So that's it. I believe that's the easiest way to do it. So as you can see, that is the easiest way to remove the audio. I'm going to do a summary again. So remember, we put our video project. In this case, we took a pre-existing one, like a template. We took a template actually, and then we located the audio track by tapping on the purple bar at the bottom, and then if we tap once, it doesn't work, tap twice. And the next thing we did was we did the muting, which decided to mute it. We could also reduce the volume to the lowest, and we could also delay the track. So how do we mute it? By clicking on the volume icon speaker next to the audio track, which is what we did there. Then we also drag the volume slider to the left until it reaches 0. So like I said, we also deleted the audio track. We can also delete the audio track by clicking on the purple audio bar in the timeline and selecting delete track, which we did. Now we can preview our video by tapping here to see it without sound, as you can see. And then we've ensured that the audio has been removed successfully. We can now click share and then download to save our video without the audio. Now if you want to keep the original audio for later, it's like I said, when you right click on the audio track, you just select detach audio, or you can copy the audio. So to create a separate audio file that you can use in other projects. Also, Canva allows you to add background music or voiceover to your videos, so you can explore these options to enhance your videos. By following these steps, you can easily remove audio from your videos in Canva and create customized video content. That's it. That is how to remove audio from video on Canva. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.